This is day 14 of our 30 days AI automation challenge. And what we are doing today, we are not building new workflow, but I want to show you tips on how to create n8n workflow using AI. And I mean using ChatGPT. And for you to do this, I want to show you a GPT that I built that you can leverage on to create a business workflow that you can upload on your n8n at least to kickstart your journey. I decided to add this to what we are going to be doing so that in case you are still having issues with your business workflow, you need somewhere to start. You need a shoulder to lean on. So you can use this agent that I've created, this GPT that I've created. It can build you a complete workflow. It can guide you step by step on how to deal with credentials and different parameters and configurations. So this is what we are going to be doing today, right? So I have shared the link in the comments, and I will also put it in the newsletter, and I will tell you where to get the GPT. So you can go to your chat GPT now and locate the GPTs and search for this name there. Top n8n agents. You will see top n8n agent by Olalekan Adeko. You just select it or go to this URL bit.ly n8n builder. So you can go there, it will take you straight to this environment. So I have written a lot of system prompts, long system prompt that is guiding this particular top n8n agent. So when you come here now, you want to build something, you don't know where to start, you don't know what to even do. You can come here and say, you know what, I want a workflow to respond to email on my behalf, you know. Uh-huh. That's just what you want, though. You want a workflow to respond to email on your behalf and you send it. The agent will ask you specific questions just to know more about what you really want to do, and then it will go ahead and build the workflow for you. And I will show you how to copy that workflow, save the workflow, and upload it on n8n and see the wonder. So this is something that can help you along the way, or you have started it yourself on anything and you need help. So this is what we're showing ourselves today. So look at it, email provider. Which email service should anything read from? This will help the agent or the GPT understand what you want, whether you need a Google Node, or you need Microsoft, or you need any other email. So number one, I said Gmail. That's the question. That's the answer rather. Number two is saying, when should the auto reply happen? Immediately, okay? Or if you want it at specific hours, if you want it, it's asking you a lot of questions. Maybe you've not even thought about the entire workflow, like very, very deep thinking. It can help you. Number three is saying AI or fixed response. How should replies be generated? AI generated replies using OpenAI. Maybe I would just pick that, or you want something else. So let's just pick this. I copy this, I put it there. Number four, is there any number four? Safety rules, very important. Should the workflow avoid replying to newsletter? Yes. Yes to newsletter. You see, this one, I wasn't thinking about it. So if you just set it up, it will be responding to newsletters, to no reply, and that won't even help you. You have a lot of tokens being wasted. Apply or fully automatic. Do you want it to send the draft to you first before you approve? Look at it. Send for approval via Slack or email before sending, or fully automatic. Let's say fully automatic for this demo. You see how it's asking you questions. The environment, we are using the cloud, asking you whether it is cloud or self-hosted. Optional but useful. Should replies be lodged somewhere? Yes, I want the replies to be lodged so that I will know the mails that have gone out just for tracking should be logged somewhere in my Google Sheet. This is all that we have responded to. Let us send it and let's see what the GPT will do. So it's thinking, it will go ahead and give you the JSON and also guide you step by step how to get the credentials. If you need to get a Google credential, if you need to get 11 lab credentials, if you need to get a webhook, anything at all that you need, it will look through and then guide you accordingly. So let's wait for it to finish its work, and then we'll copy it and take it to n8n. So that's what we'll be doing today. And at the same time, I know that your trial period is ending. I will show you how to download your workflow from your n8n and how to upload it on a new n8n account in case you create another account and you still want to keep all your files. So stay tuned and let's see how it goes. So look at what we have here. After a couple of minutes, then it started writing and it wrote the JSON. Look at it. It wrote the code here for me. And then at the bottom, you will see the guide there. So this is what you'll be getting by using this particular GPT. So it explained what you have in there for you to even understand what you're doing. It wrote about the credential setup, OpenAI key, how to get it, where to put it, everything that you need, how to, run with what has been done here. So what do we need to do now is just to copy the code here. So copy the code and then open a notepad on your computer system and then paste it there. I opened a fresh notepad and then save it. But when you are saving, make sure that the file extension is .json. So if I put email as the name here, .json. So that's all you need to do and save it where you want it to be and save. So after saving, let's go back to our n8n. So this is n8n here. Instead of me adding the nodes myself, I can just come in here, look at the three dots here, come there. For downloading all the ones that you've done before, you come here and download. But to import it back on your new account, that's the same way we are going to import this one now. So you will come to import file, and then you locate the file on your computer system. Look at the email I added now. I'll click on email and open it. Let's see what will happen. Look at what we've done now. See? It created the workflow for us. So trigger when the new mail comes in. I also asked it to add sticky notes just to explain what is going on there for you. So this is really good and it can help you. So the trigger is when a new mail comes in. It's also added this to normalize the mail and remove newsletter from the mails it will respond to. If it is newsletter, something should happen. If not, it should write the mail, it should then reply via your Gmail again and then log it inside Google Sheets. Look at what we've been able to do by just telling ChatGPT what you want to do. So you will just start going inside the nodes and then you will be able to configure the nodes. Some of the nodes will have been configured even by the GPT, but you can go back to the guide at the bottom here and run through it. So this is something that can help you. You can use it, together with what we've done so far. So this is the lesson for today. Go to that GPT, pin it to your chat GPT so that next time you want to use it, you can always find it there and use it. Whether you are on paid version or you are on free version, you will be able to use the GPT for whatever things you want to do regarding building workflow. So again, you want to download your workflow from your expiring account, come to the three dots here and download. For you to now import it back to your new account, import the file. So this is the lesson for today. I'll see you tomorrow again. And don't forget, we have our Q&A session tomorrow, Friday, 7 to 8 p.m. See you then.